Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this reflective text effect on CapCut PC. Go to text and add in your default text, and I'm just going to type in the word mirror or reflection or whatever you want. Also going to use this font because why not. I think I'm also going to add in like a background to it, like this one. Let's make it a little bit darker. So what you're going to want to do is copy and paste that. You're going to right click, create compound clip because it's easier that way. Rotate it twice. And just select this mirror button and add it to your video. And adjust the opacity if you want to. Or not. That is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!